by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from BUCO Walker Drive in Port Elizabeth.
The store's been here for about 8 years now. We're a BUCO, so we're really a hardware store. So we sell an entire range of product. Our clientele vary from large contractors to small contractors to anybody. You come in, you want to do the work, that's fine. What makes me proud of the store is our offering and our relationship with our customers, and on the other side with our suppliers, because without them the two don't work. What do we love about our customers? Well, they're fantastic people. Everybody that comes into the store, they've always got something to tell us. If we get involved and we ask them why, when, where, how, what are they doing, then it's nice, it's interactions. We're always the best. Again, it comes back to the service, it comes back to the staff. The staff that we have, great people, they'll give you all the advice. We're also kind of a one-stop shop, so we try to give the client everything that he needs.
We're the best hardware shop to buy a Plascon. Plascon, it's a big range and it's a very good paint, and the finish is very good.
Plascon products are a fantastic brand, so people know it, they know what products are available, and they come in seeking those products from us. My favorite Plascon product is Velvaglo, which is an enamel product. So you'd use it in kitchens and bathrooms ultimately, but it's also a very much a DIY-based product.
The advice I can give you before you're doing the paint, it's a preparation. The preparation is very important.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.